This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Xbox One X. This is Microsoft's most powerful console yet, while also being the slimmest console. It can do 4K video and 4K gaming, like true 4K gaming, up to 6 teraflops of power, 12 gigs of RAM, whatnot. You can play 4K Blu-rays, output at 4K Ultra HD, HDR. The Xbox One has 1 terabyte hard drive, and is compatible with all the existing Xbox One accessories. And you don't necessarily need a 4K TV to use the Xbox One X with. You can use a 1080p TV, but 4K will obviously give you 4K gaming. So let's take a look inside. First we have some of the manuals and stuff, Game Pass and Xbox Live Gold. Here we have an HDMI cable, the controller with some batteries inside, and then over here is the power cable. Since they're actually built in the power brick inside the console, so you don't need an external one with the original Xbox One. And then here is the Xbox One itself. It's quite heavy because of all that power inside. There we are. Here is the Xbox One X. And you can see here's the power button, which actually clicks. USB 3.0 port. IR sensor. One of these two is the pairing button. This is the pairing for your controllers. Sticker. Ventilation. Xbox logo there. Power, HDMI out, HDMI in, 2 more USB 3.0 ports. That's for your IR receiver, whatnot, optical audio, and then Ethernet, and all that, and more ventilation and whatnot. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the Xbox One X. It's available now in Canada for around 600 Canadian. In the US, it's available for around 500 US.